Hi guys, it's Jared here from National Garage, here to talk about the KPX5 wireless keypad made by Automatic Technology Australia. The KPX5 keypad has 4 channels, which will allow you to program this into 4 different garage door opener or gate opener products. The KPX5 keypad is also weatherproof, which means you can mount this safely outside in the rain. A common problem with the KPX5 is that the cover can sometimes snap or break. We sell these replacement covers on our website. To see a full list of compatible Securicode garage door openers, head on over to our website. We list all compatible openers in our listing descriptions. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions at all about the KPX5 keypad, head on over to our website. You can give us a call or send us an email. See you next video.